Popular American-based actor Orlando Brown pleads not guilty to assault charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Former child star Orlando Brown has pleaded not guilty to misdemeanor assault charges stemming from an alleged altercation in Ohio. According to Allen County Sheriff's Office, the 35-year-old Brown was taken into custody Thursday morning and held on $25,000 bond. He was arraigned Friday in the Lama Municipal Court and charged with aggravated menacing, according to an international media source. Police told reporters that they had been summoned to the home and witnessed a verbal argument their fear could turn violent. In the court proceeding, an attorney has not yet been assigned to Orlando Brown. Brown is best known for the Disney Channel series That's So Raven. He had been in and out of medical rehabilitation facilities in 2018. He reached out for help on the Dr. Phil show some time ago, who brought him on the television show to discuss Brown's struggles. This individual would have been an individual that would have been out there in the social media world for some time and would have gotten a whole lot of fame and recognition, but he's having some real medical issues, and I just want the fans out there right now to just give him that support during this difficult time, because if you know the show That's So Raven, he played his role well, and I believe that he has some real psychological problem going on with him at this point in time, and we hope that he just find the help in order to cope during this difficult time and just get that help he needs in order to bring back his life to normalcy. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links 007 TV team.